Very good. Good morning, all of you. How are you? Okay. Definitely you all are fine. Good. So, many blendings we learned before this. Yeah? L blend, R blend, S blend. After that, consonant clusters. Yeah. And that time I told you there are two sounds. Yeah. Short sound and long sound. How many sounds are there? Two sounds. Okay. One is short and one is long. So today we are going to learn how to recognize short sound and long sound. And today we are learning the sound long A and short sound of A. Got it? A only. We are learning today A sounds, but short A and long A. Okay. For that purpose only, I taught you different sounds of each vowel. A, E, I, O, U. Regular sounds, you learned that. There is no doubt. Apart from that, I taught you extra sound. Okay. That is the main purpose to teach you. Why I taught that? Easily you can find the difference of short A and long A. After that, we will see short E and long E, then I, then O and then U. Fine. These vowels are very important. You know children, if your birthday is there, you are wearing nice dress. Girls are wearing bangles, putting bindi, wearing necklace. Why they are doing that all? Because, yes, they want to enhance their beauty. They are putting bindi. Yeah. Likewise, whatever language we are learning, yes, so these letters are doing the same work. They want to enhance the beauty of our language. Okay, they are coming in different way. Why they are doing that all? They want to what? Enhance the beauty of our language. How we can speak. Different uses are there. How we can pronounce. Got it? So, we will see now. Just look at the board. I will write here one or two words. Here ma'am is writing N-A-M-E, name. Am I right? And here your ma'am is writing B-A-T, bat. Children, tell me, what is the regular sound of A? Yes? A. Very good. Very nice. Now please read this spell N-A-M-E, and with the help of sounds, just try to read it. N-A-M-E, regular sound A. It's an A. Yes, if you are thinking like that, it's an A. And here, B-A-T, bat. What is the regular sound? A. And we are saying B-A-T, bat. There are different extra sounds, but just recall. In different way, I will tell you how to recognize, how we can bifurcate the sounds short and long. See, if they are taking their own name, okay, B, A, Ch, S, A, S, A. So regular sound that A is taking here. It's a short sound. If the vowel is taking regular sound, that is short sound word of that particular letter. And today we are going to learn short sound of A. So here A sound short. B-A-T, bat, cat, mat, man, van, bad. So that A is taking regular sound. That means A. It's taking A everywhere. Yeah. Bad cat, mad, sad, bad lad, sad, mad, fad. So that A is taking here A sound. When the letter is taking regular sound, that word is short sound. Got it? Yes or no? So it's a short sound, short A. Short sound of A, short A. And here, that A is leaving his regular sound and taking different sound. Whatever I taught you, extra sound, just recall that. N-A-M-E. Here that A is taking A only. Own name. Which letter is this? A. And here he is telling only A. Name. Yes. So that A is not taking sound. He is present here with its own name. A only. Not no. Here he is not taking any kind of sound, not extra sound, not regular sound. Own name. खुद का नाम ले रहा है वो. He is not taking any sound. Not regular sound or not extra sound. Got it? And at last, here is E. E is also vowel. Yes. The first rule, I will tell you how to recognize long vowel. I will write here only. When the two vowels comes in the any word. See this word. N-A-M-E. Name. How many vowels are here in this word? A and E. Two vowels. Am I right? So this word is long vowel sound. Because this E is making strong. ये E उसको strong बना रहा है. That's why here that A is taking long sound. Name. What is your name? What is your name? We are not saying like that. What is your name? ये इसको strong बना रहा है. Okay. So first rule, that letter is taking own name. सबसे पहले क्या करता है वो खुद का own name लेता है. Second is that two vowels. वही word में two vowels होने चाहिए. हो गए यहाँ पे. A को हम A ही कह रहे हैं and another vowel is here E. A and E. How many vowels are here? Two vowels. So it is long A sound. Okay. I will give you again one example. See, now easily you can identify. Same. Okay. Third one, bake. Bake. I will give you more examples. Tell. Am I right? So these words are, we can identify them as a long A sound word. Why we are telling them long vowel sound? There are 6 or 7 rules. But first and second rule today I taught you. First rule is that A is taking, yes, what? Own name. He is not taking any kind of sound. Not a, not on, not were, not e, nothing. A को A ही बोलना है और आखिरी में E आया है. It means there are two vowels. It means there are two vowels. Any two vowels. Maybe here is I, O, U. Yeah, it may be happen. Okay. So if the two vowels are there, it means that is long vowel sound word. That is long vowel sound word. And today we are learning which letter we are? Long A. Today we are learning A. Fine. So this word is long A sound word. This word is long A sound. Okay. Dear, I want to tell you again one thing. If the E comes at last, that is also long vowel sound word. अगर आखिरी में E आ रहा है तो वो भी long vowel sound word हो गया है. वो भी long vowel sound word हुआ है. If I will write here, man. What is it? What is it? A. The A is taking here his regular sound. Means he is taking sound. A. Whenever the letter is taking or vowel is taking regular sound, that is always short sound word. Okay. And when the letter or vowel is taking its own name, खुद का नाम ले रहे हैं, they are not taking any sound. Okay. And another thing, there are two vowels. Suppose उसमें दो vowel हैं. Third thing, E comes at last. Word के last में जब E आता है, at last when E comes, such kind of words are called long vowel sound. And which vowel sound we are learning today? A long vowel. What? A. Got it? Which sound we are learning today? A long. Got it? Okay. So apart from that, we will see one example. What you have to do here, okay? I will tell you. Just we will see you understood or not. Now, if the long vowel is there, I will write here 3 or 4 words. If the long vowel is there, the long vowel word is there, you have to circle on that. Just I will give you 2 or 3 examples. See here, van, same, game, and bat. Yeah, I give you an idea. 3 rules I told you. Okay. There are 6 or 7 rules. Step by step I will tell you. I will clear it. Okay. First rule, the letter is taking own name. Second, in that word 2 vowels. Any. And third rule, E comes at last. Whatever words ma'am gave you, in that word, suppose E comes at last, that also a long vowel sound word. Okay, we will read. We will take the sound also. V-A-N, see. E hai, sorry, A hai, A. Good. So today we are learning long A. And if you got long vowel sound word, you have to circle on that. V-A-N, van. Now, just recall these 3 rules. A is taking own name. No, A is taking sound. छोड़ दिया. 2 vowels. No, there is only 1 vowel and that is A. Leave it. Third rule, E comes at last. उसके last में E आया है? No. So, this word is short A sound word. This word is short A sound. Why it is short? Just recall 3 rules. A is taking his own name? No. Here A is saying, yes, what sound? A. Van. A. Okay. The first rule is not working here. Then we will see next rule. 2 vowels are here? No. Only 1 and that is A. Okay. This rule also not working here. Then what is the third rule? E comes at last. E comes at last. Read the spelling. V-A-N. Oh, there is no E at last. It means that 3 rules are not working here. Then how this word is long vowel? No. For that only this word is short A sound word. And what is our question? What I told you? If you will get, you have to just circle on long vowel. So should I circle on the... Yes? No. I can't. Because it is a short A sound word. Because it is short A sound word. It is not long. Okay, next. S-A-M-E, same. Yes, it is long. Wait, I will tell you. We will see these 3 rules. Own name, S-A-M-E, same. Yes, or sound. Yes, that A is taking own, A. Yeah, own name. First rule is working here. Fine. Then, see, 2 vowels are there. S-A-M-E, A and E. Yes, 2 vowels. Okay, second rule also working here. And third is E comes at last. S-A-M-E-E. Oh my God, E comes at last. It means this word is long A vowel sound. Because that 3 rules are working here, whatever I taught you now. Just see now, you can see that. Taking own name, 2 vowels are here and E comes at last. Yes? Okay. So, what should I do? I will take with me or I will put in my purse? Or you are carrying? No, what ma'am said? You have to circle on that. So, likewise, I will circle. Yes, very good. Fine. Next word. G-A-N-E, game. Okay. Check the rules. You learned that. Very nice. Own name, 2 vowels and at last E. It means definitely 101% this word is long vowel sound word. And this sound A because today we are learning long A. So can I or you want to take? No. I will not give you. I will circle on that. Got it? Yes. Next word B-A-T, bat. it's a short sound. Why you are saying short? Give me explanation. Yes, we will check out 3 rules. Own name? No. Is taking here sound and. Very good. Then 2 vowels are there? No ma'am, 2 consonant and 1 vowel. This rule also not working here. E comes at last? No. So, how it is long vowel? No, it is a short sound. So, I will circle on that. No. Why? Oh my God. We have to circle. Watch. Long vowel sound. If I will circle, so it's wrong. So, I will not circle. You will circle? No. Got it? Got it? Just 3 rules you have to recall today. Next rule. Again 4 rules are there. I will teach you in next period. Got it now? Long A and short A. Suppose that A is taking sound, definitely that word is short sound word. What? That letter, that vowel is taking sound. First important rule, how to identify short and long. Here that A is taking sound and here that A is not taking any sound, not regular or not extra. That letter is telling its own name. खुद का नाम बता रहा A, I. Not taking what? Sounds. So definitely this is long sound word. Got it? Children, tell me. Here only, in this letter we can see only one vowel, that is A. Yes? But here we can see 2 vowels. Okay. When the 2 vowels comes together, in that first one is talking and another one, second one is walking. वो उसके साथ में सिर्फ चलता है, वो बात नहीं करता है. Then which letter is talking? That sound words. So we can easily identify it's a long A sound word. It's a long A, not long E, not long I. In this word, who is talking? A. E is talking? No, because A comes first. And A is talking. A is talking means A is telling his introduction. He is giving. He is telling A, I am A. You are saying, I am Sia. Like that only. Just E is simply standing there, walking with. Okay. So, first one is talking and another one is walking. वो उसको सिर्फ company दे रहा है. यहाँ पे talk कौन कर रहा है? A. So, this word is called long A sound word. जो बात करता है वही word होता है, उसका ही word होता है, E का नहीं बनेगा. It is A and he is telling his introduction. A, not E. Okay. So, when the 2 vowels comes together, first one is talking and another one is only walking. Okay. So, easily we can identify who is talking? A. So, this word is long A sound. Got it? We will revise again in next period. Got it now? How to identify long and short? So what you learned today? A. Which letter? A. A is long sound and A is short sound. Okay? Easily you can identify. So try to write at least 2 or 3 words of short A sound and long A sound. Got it? Very good. So tomorrow we will meet on same time. Thank you.